So the tip is showing top best rated tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first is called No Free App Limit. And that's one of my favorite tweets. What it does is removes the 3 app limit for free developer accounts used for app development with Xcode and keeping more than 3 signed apps at a time while unjailbroken. So it's kind of different from AppSync Unify. Like I was saying, it pretty much instead of having 3 apps signed with the free developer account, it gives you the full compatibility with it. So you can only have up to 10 because that's Apple's limit, even for paid subscription devices, like non-free Apple non-free developer accounts, which is like $100, $120, something like that a year. So it's pretty expensive. But this actually bypasses that. So even when you're not in a jailbroken state, you can still use above the 3 app limit. This is called UU Plus, compatible with iOS 13 and 14. So the package, the jailbroken device version of UU Plus by Q&N Black Hat, compatible with YouTube iOS 13 or later. So if iOS 13 users, please add Poom Smart's repo because Force and Picture is required. So a ton of features that I can't list all of them, so you visit here for more info. But you have UPIP enable, which is the picture-in-picture mode, UHD unlocks VP9 codec in effect, enables video quality of 2K and 4K, enables disable YT UHD in YouTube settings, video quality preferences, YT classic video quality, change the video quality. This brings back the old video quality selector, which is a lot more better than the new one. And you have a lot of cool stuff you guys can do. Skip ignoring ads, it brings the dislikes back. Remember the caption settings you put it as, blocks the local network permission group. It's linked to YouTube theme, darker light mode with system theme, so pretty cool. Next week's called with this 3 for WhatsApp and all-in-one tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. So your privacy features, protection features, status features, chats, chat list, general, media, user interface, notifications, theme, message schedule, or auto reply, hide chats, contact spoofing, custom tone, stickers manager. Next is a widget called Cracked at Sets. It's also tweaked to prank your friends. So tap on the screen and a huge crack appears. You can pretty much prank your friends using this tweak. Supports iOS 10 or later. Next is a widget called Module 2. And music weather day counter widget depends on ETSN info, so that's what it looks like. And these are the features you guys have and the changelog. Next is called SNS No Ads. This includes ads from the Twitter or line. Next is called AppCon. And with iOS 9 and 13, Tweet allows you to easily replace any app icon with an image from your photo library or directly from a URL. So, no more having. You can actually customize the app icon, which is pretty cool. So if it's like a blank one, you can still customize it. Even if it's not, and you just want to add like a custom picture to it, you can with this tweak. And last week for today is called Snowboard. And what this is actually a theming tweak. So it's like your spiritual successor, legendary Winterboard theme engine, which iOS 7 up supports all formats and other popular theming engines. So pretty cool. It's actually by Spark and Dennis the Bernards. Spark is a pretty popular jailbreak creator or tweak creator, not jailbreak, but yeah, tweak creator, tweak developer, whatever. But yeah, so if I just want to customize a device, this is a great tweak for that. Like I said, supports iOS 7 and up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next one. Peace.